Fortinet NSE7 Enterprise Firewall 7.0 NSE7_EFW 7.0 exam will be retired on December 31, 2023, and the new replacement test is NSE7_EFW 7.2. If you decide to earn Fortinet NSE7 certification, you can study online NSE7_EFW 7.0 exam dumps questions to pass and get certified. 1. How does FortiManager handle FortiGuard requests from FortiGate devices, when it is configured as a local FDS? A. FortiManager can download and maintain local copies of FortiGuard databases. B. FortiManager supports only FortiGuard push to manage devices. C. FortiManager will respond to update requests only if they originate from a managed device. D. FortiManager does not support rating requests. 2. An administrator has configured 2 FortiGate devices for an HA cluster. While testing the HA failover, the administrator noticed that some of the switches in the network continue to send traffic to the former primary unit. The administrator decides to enable the setting link failed signal to fix the problem. Which statement is correct regarding this command? A. Forces the former primary device to shut down all its non-heartbeat interfaces for 1 second while the failover occurs. B. Sends an ARP packet to all connected devices, indicating that the HA virtual MAC address is reachable through a new master after a failover. C. Sends a link failed signal to all connected devices. D. Disables all the non-heartbeat interfaces in all the HA members for 2 seconds after a failover. 3. Which statement about protocol options is true? A. Protocol options allows administrators a streamlined method to instruct FortiGate to block all sessions corresponding to disabled protocols. B. Protocol options allows administrators the ability to configure the any setting for all enabled protocols, which provides the most efficient use of system resources. C. Protocol options allow administrators to configure a maximum number of sessions for each configured protocol. D. Protocol options allows administrators to configure which layer 4 port numbers map to upper layer protocols, such as HTTP, SMTP, FTP, and so on. 4. Which statement about IKE and IKE-NAT-T is true? A. IKE is used to encapsulate ESP traffic in some situations, and IKE-NAT-T is used only when the local FortiGate is using NAT on the IPsec interface. B. IKE is the standard implementation for IKEV1 and IKE-NAT-T is an extension added in IKEV2. C. They both use UDP as their transport protocol and the port number is configurable. D. They each use their own IP protocol number. 5. Which 2 tasks are automated using the install wizard on FortiManager? Choose 2. A. Installing configuration changes to managed devices. B. Importing interface mappings from managed devices. C. Adding devices to FortiManager. D. Previewing pending configuration changes for managed devices. 6. A FortiGate is rebooting unexpectedly without any apparent reason. What troubleshooting tools could an administrator use to get more information about the problem? Choose 2. A. Firewall Monitor. B. Policy Monitor. C. Logs. D. Crash logs. 7. In which two states is a given session categorized as ephemeral? Choose 2. A. A TCP session waiting for FIN ACK. B. A UDP session with packets sent and received. C. A UDP session with only one packet received. D. A TCP session waiting for the SYN ACK. 8. Which real-time debug should an administrator enable to troubleshoot radius authentication problems? A. Diagnose debug application radius -1. B. Diagnose debug application FNBAMD-1. C. Diagnose auth console log enable. D. Diagnose radius console log enable. 9. Which two conditions would prevent a static route from being added to the routing table? Choose 2. A. There is another route to the same destination, with a lower distance. B. The route has a lower priority value than another route to the same destination. C. The next hop IP address is unreachable. D. The interface specified in the route configuration is down. 10. What is the diagnose test application IPS-monitor5 command used for? A. To enable IPS bypass mode. B. To disable the IPS engine. C. To restart all IPS engines and monitors. D. To provide information regarding IPS sessions.